Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the heatsink on the Nintendo Switch gaming console. Before starting, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which are listed in the description. First, turn off the device. Next, remove the rear cover by unscrewing 10 screws. The screw number 5 is located beneath the kickstand. Open it to access it. Additionally, there are 2 screws near the charging port, one near the fan, and a central screw on each side. Please note that the rear cover is primarily secured by the middle screws on the sides. Once all 10 screws are free, gently pull out the cover from the body. Next, remove the screw securing the SD card holder. And gently disconnect the plug to detach the card reader flex from the body. Next, undo 6 screws holding the shield in place, and then use a pry tool to release the unit from the body. Next, disconnect the battery plug. Next, take out the faulty heatsink from the body. First, undo 3 screws securing the unit, and then gently lift the heatsink using a pry tool. Next, place and secure the new heatsink in the body. Ensure the proper placement, and fasten 3 screws to secure the heatsink. Next, secure the battery connector to the board. Next, place and secure the shield by adding 6 screws. Next, place and secure the SD card unit and secure the connector. And then fasten the unit by adding the screw. Finally, place the rear cover on the body and then secure it by adding 10 screws. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.